Vikings, welcome back to another episode of NVTV.
Hey Vikings, we got some exciting things coming up, so listen up. This Friday, March 5th, we're hosting the All Club meeting and food fair lottery at 3:45 p.m. in the ASB Commission Room. Clubs, get ready. It's time to represent. Monday, March 9th is a late start. Staff report at 8:25 a.m. and students, you get a little extra sleep. First period begins at 10:10 a.m., so don't be late. On Tuesday, March 10th, come out and support your fellow Vikings at the MVHS BAPLA Showcase at 6:30 p.m. in the BSSU. Let's pack the house and show our Viking pride for our amazing performers and artists. Thursday, March 12th, we'll have a fire drill during third period. Vikings, let's stay sharp, follow directions, and show how responsible we are. And on Friday, March 13th, EMU HSC will host the 4th annual Math Bee in the BSSU. Good luck to all our brilliant Vikings competing. We know you'll make us all proud. That's all for now, Vikings. Let's make it a great day. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, here are your weekly staff announcements. Do you want to learn how to be a party starter? Now's your chance. We are now offering free DJ workshop classes after school on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays from 4 to 6 in room 211. You don't even have to have any prior experience in DJing. All are welcome. If you are interested, use the QR code on screen to sign up. If you have any questions, see Mr. Zamaripa for more info. Next, applications are now open for the 2026 Cindy Montañez Young Leaders Program, a 4-week paid summer internship designed for El Monte Union students interested in environmental and green career pathways. If you are interested in a career involving forestry and watershed studies, here's a way to get some hands-on experience, maybe even developing a project for your own school. The internship lasts for 4 weeks, running from Tuesday, July 21st to Friday, August 14th, with a mandatory orientation on Saturday, July 18th. Through this internship, you'll even earn $18 an hour while learning valuable skills on how to better your community's environment as well. Sounds like a win-win to me. To apply, scan the QR code on screen. But hurry, submissions are due Friday, March 29th. For more information, make sure to contact Equal Opportunities at treepeople.org. Lastly, the MVHS 3D Printing Club is now taking pre-orders for 4-leaf clover fidget spinners and personalized keychains. The fidget spinners are only $1, and the personalized keychains are only $2. The keychains can contain one name and come in your choice of purple and yellow, black or white, pink and white, and blue and white. You can pick up an order sheet in activities. All orders are due by Friday, March 13th. See Mr. Beer or Mr. Man for more information. That's it from me this week, Vikings. Stay tuned next time for more important info about the View.
Hey Vikings, today's song recommendation is Dark Knight Demo by Trippie Redd.
Hey, hold up, take a moment, count my guap. All these rags bumming in, they bumming in, hold up.
This song is from Trippie's album named Life's a Trip, and that album also includes other popular hits such as Forever Ever and How You Feel. Dark Knight Demo features Travis Scott and it has over 564 million streams on Spotify, and it'll also reach 2 times platinum. That's all for me this week, Vikings. Until next time.
Hey Vikings, the TV show for this week is Avatar: The Last Airbender. The show follows Aang, a 12-year-old air nomad who is also the Avatar, the only bender capable of controlling all 4 elements: air, water, fire, and earth. After being frozen for 100 years, he wakes up to a world taken over by the Fire Nation, and all his fellow airbenders wiped out. He, along with his new friends, must master all elements to defeat the Fire Lord and restore balance. This show is widely considered one of the best animated shows and is praised for its mature themes, complex characters, and masterful storytelling. That's all for this week, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, this week's video game is Cuphead. Cuphead is a fast-paced run-and-gun indie game developed by Studio MDHR and released in 2017. Inspired by 1930s Rubber Hose cartoons, the game stands out for its hand-drawn animation, watercolor backgrounds, and jazzy soundtrack. Players control Cuphead and optionally his brother Mugman as they travel across the Inkwell Isles trying to repay a debt to the devil after a risky gamble goes wrong. Gameplay focuses heavily on challenging boss battles mixed with side-scrolling shooting levels. It is known for its high difficulty, requiring precise timing, quick reflexes, and pattern memorization. Despite its tough gameplay, the color vintage art style and upbeat music gives the game a charming cartoon-like feeling that makes it both frustrating and fun. That's it for me, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, in Spanish quote is Palabras necesarias oídos sordos. It is a Spanish proverb that advertises against paying attention to, ignoring, or not giving importance to negative comments, insults, malicious criticism, and absurdities. That's it for me, Vikings. See ya.
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the view. First off, on Tuesday, March 3rd, boys volleyball will be hosting the Pioneer Titans here at the gym at 3:30, with JV to start off and varsity afterwards. At the same time, softball will hit the road towards Azusa High School to face the Aztecs. Next, on Thursday, March 5th, boys volleyball will head to Sierra Vista High School to face the Dons at 3:30, with JV first up and varsity to follow. Softball will again be away, this time going to Workman High School to challenge the Lobos. Also, track and field will travel to South El Monte High School for a district meet. Finally, on Friday, March 6th, Cheer Stunt will bring their performance as they head to Rosemead High School. As always, let's make sure to go out and show our support for our fellow Viking athletes. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for the VISTA livestream links so you can watch our Vikings from anywhere. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, this week's film is The Hunger Games. It's a dark future where a powerful government controls the people. Each year, kids from different districts are forced to compete in a deadly game show on TV. The story follows Katniss Everdeen, a brave girl who volunteers to take her sister's place. As she fights to survive, Katniss also starts to challenge the unfair system. This series is about survival, courage, and standing up against injustice. That's all for me, Vikings. See you next episode.
Hello Vikings, this week's recipe is brown butter chocolate chip cookies. This recipe is a little more elevated than a regular cookie recipe. It has a rich caramel flavor. If you're interested, scan the QR code. That's all for me. Enjoy, Vikings.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.